Hello, today we will see the basics on vital statistics, especially focusing on challenges on collecting as well as analyzing the vital events such as births, deaths, and So, in this presentation, we will cover the following major topics. The first one we will see as introduction, how is vital statistics, and then we will cover the uses and advantages of vital statistics. After that, we will see also the major challenges on collecting and analyzing vital events, and at last we will summarize the topic. So, as introduction, as you know, vital statistics is an event data, especially on human events, focusing on births, deaths, marriage, divorce, adoption, and migration is major human events. So, this presentation will focus on these events. So, these vital statistics are major and basic indicator for human social health and demographic characteristics of a populations. So, birth statistics includes information. As you know, one of the vital element is birth statistics. So, in birth statistics, one of the data collected is the number of live births of the infants. And another vital event is days statistics. So, in this days statistics, the data collected is the total number of days as well as the cause of the death as registered. So, in this days statistics, so after the data is collected, we will analyze this days events. And another major vital event in human and population is marriage and divorce. So, in this statistics, the total number of marriage or union, divorce, and terminations will be the major statistics collected and covered by the covered by these events. So, in addition to this, the cause of the dissolution or the termination also collect for these vital events. So, these vital events to collect, we will collect the other one is adoption statistics. So, in adoption statistics, the number and kinds of adoption is collected. That is, the kind means whether it is domestically adopted or for outside the country. This data is collected. In addition to this, the characteristics of the kids, the adopted kids, as well as the adoptive parents also collected in this adoption statistics. And another data collected and covered by this adoption statistics is adoption procedures. So, this adoption statistics is one of the major vital events collected by the So, in this presentation, we will cover the following major topics. The first one we will see as introduction, how is vital statistics, and then we will cover the uses and advantages of vital statistics. After that, we will see also the major challenges on collecting and analyzing vital events, and at last we will summarize the topic. So this vital statistics for a nation is very crucial and important for understanding the following characteristics. The first one is it is very important in understanding population dynamics, as well as it is important and useful for to understand health trends, and it is also important for policy and decision making. So it is very useful for local, national, as well as international policy making, as well as decision making. So these vital statistics should be accurate and reliable in order to make a good decision. It is important to focus how they are accurate and reliable. Now we will see the major advantage or use of vital statistics. So in demographic analysis and population studies, uh, the key data is population growth, fertility rate, migration trend, and age distribution. So in order to see the social economic shifts in a population, as well as family dynamics, society trend, and future requirement of planning, this vital statistics is very crucial and important for one country. So this vital statistics also important for public health planning of a country. So after we will see and examine the illness pattern, as well as mortality rates and population health trends, so the government can easily plan for its public health planning. So this is important for the government to make health policies, strategies, as well as policy intervention for health issues. Another crucial importance of this vital statistics of a country is to make the correct decision making, and it is also important for policy development of a country. So in order to make and to develop policies, especially focusing on education, health, social security, as well as urban planning, the government the government uses these vital statistics. So this vital statistics is important for to make a decision, as well as to develop a good policy of a country. So this vital statistics also is very useful and important for legal administration purpose, such as marriage, death, and birth certificates. So these certificates are important for legal as well as administrative purpose of the nation. And another crucial importance of this vital statistics is it is useful for researchers as well as academicians. It is a base and useful for to make their researches and their studies. Now we will see the major advantage or use of vital statistics. So in demographic analysis and population studies, the key data is population growth, fertility rate, migration trend, and age distribution. So, in order to see the social economic shifts in a population as well as family dynamics, society trend, and future requirement of planning, this vital statistics is very crucial and important for one events. So, in order to use this vital statistics and to make the correct decision as well as policy interventions, the data of vital statistics should be accurate as well as quality. The quality should be ensured. So, so now we will see the summary of these vital statistics. So the vital events, as previously discussed, is the major events such as death, birth, and marriage, especially is important to understand the population's pattern and dynamics. In addition to this, it is also important for policy formulation and development as well as policy interventions. So, if you have the correct and exact correct data and the accurate data of vital statistics of a nation, so the social well-being of the population will increase. So this vital statistics is important to make evidence-based decisions, the first one, and another one is it is important for decision makers as well as policy makers to assist them and to make the right decision as well as policy formulations. In addition to this, it is important for social policies as well as health policies and interventions. And another use of this vital statistics is it is important for resource allocation. So, in order to this to address and to use these vital statistics, the data is must be reliable as well as it is accurate. So, in order to increase the reliability as well as the accuracy of these vital statistics, the government should work on the following issues. The first one is the government should invest in technology, and the government should collaborate with stakeholders to get this reliable and accurate data. So, in order to get this accurate data, the government should strengthen the data collection infrastructures, and the government should give a focus and should work on awareness creation of the nation. So, thank you. This is about the introduction about vital statistics. Thank you.